Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop. And in this lesson we will place image inside the text using clipping mask. So what is clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop? A clipping mask is a group of layers to which a mask is applied. The base layer defines the visible boundaries of the entire group. So you can take a look. Here is an image of grass from our exercise file, and we want to place this grass image inside this text using clipping mask. So let's take a look the output, and you can take a look. We have some layers in our layer panel, and after applying the clipping mask, how it look like. So let me turn on the color fill 1 layer, and let me turn on the background copy layer. Okay, you can take a look. We got the images placed inside the text using clipping mask. So let's take a look on entire process how it will apply clipping mask to place image inside the text. So at first we have to open our exercise file for learning clipping mask. Here is the file menu and here is the open option. And inside the exercise file you will get this image inside text. You just have to select it and then you have to click open. Here we go. This is the image of grass, and we will use this image for creating clipping mask, and we will place this image inside a text. So let's start the process. So at first we have to duplicate the background layer. So let's start the process. To duplicate the background layer, you just have to right click with your mouse in background layer, then you will get this duplicate layer option, and let me write clipping mask, and let me click OK. And right now I want to turn off the background layer. You can take a look. We have the background layer enabled, so I want to turn it off. So let's turn off the background layer. Okay, so right now we have to add a text here, and therefore we have to use the type tool. So here is the type tool, and as an example let me write my name, or you can write your own name for practicing. So let me write my name here, Stephen Cowell, and let me click on this tick mark, or you can hit Ctrl and Enter button, and those who you are using Mac, you have to press Command and Enter button. So let me click on this tick mark, and here is our image. So let's scale it properly. To scale, you just have to press Ctrl or Command T from your keyboard, or you just have to click the edit menu, and from there here is the transform option, and here is the scale option. So let's scale this text properly with the image, and let's make this text a little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So here is the tick mark. You can click it, or you can press Enter button from your keyboard. So right now we have to move this clipping mask layer at top. So let's move this clipping mask layer at top. Actually, this clipping mask or this grass image we're placing at top because this image will mask the text. So therefore you have to place the image at top, and you can take a look. The text is covered by the image, but how we will put this image inside the text? It's really simple. Right now we have to apply the clipping mask. To apply clipping mask, you just have to right click with your mouse in clipping mask layer, then you will get the create clipping mask option. So let me click create clipping mask. Magic! You can take a look. The image placed inside the text, and you can move the image inside the text as well. So let's use the move tool. Here is the move tool, and you can move the image inside the text as well. I am moving the image at right, and you can take a look. The text got blanked in left side, and I am moving the image at left, and we have the perfect image inside the text. Okay, but you can take a look. We have the transparent background and it's not looks fine. So we want to add a solid color. So let's add a solid color. Here is the option for adding the solid color, and here is the solid color option. So I can pick the black color as well from color picker, and let me click OK. And right now we have the color fill layer at top, but we have to place this color fill layer under the text layer. So let's move it. Okay, right now we have the perfect background. We have the solid color, black solid color background, and we have the text, and we have the image inside the text using clipping mask. So I'm pretty sure you enjoyed these entire things, and let's have some practice to place some image inside the text. So see you in next lesson.